What's up, guys? So today in Battle Cats, we're going to be doing our journey to evolve Yukimura. This Yukimura is way easier to do, but this one I have a high level on it. So the only thing we need is 4 black cat fruits and 4 purple cat fruits and 1. I think it was red. Was it red? I don't know. Was it red or not? Yep, it was red. So before we get into the fruits, we have to get some XP. No. Let's do XP Mega Blitz because XP Colossum is not there right now. No. You know what? Let's change it a bit. Alright, anti-black. Definitely. Oh yeah, definitely. I got Assassin Bear Cat from bottom of the swamp. And I also got Super Cat. So now, that's nice. Another one of those levels. Whacked his face. That's what he does insane damage. Hello? Is anything? Oh, there it is. Ouch. Let's use an adjustment bomb. Damn, the tools all work. That would be pretty easy to kill. I don't know if they're gonna let me watch it for the XP, so when I win the level, I'm not going to show. Because it might not let me watch it after Stop killing my Yukimura. Oh yeah, I could do it. Let's try it.
Which hero strikes fear into the heart?
I want this ad to shut the hell up. Ew! Get that stupid hot girl away from me. Wait a minute. Oh, I can cut it. I should probably cut it. I hate these fucking girls, man.
Alright. That's enough to get Yukimura to level 30. But now we need another amount of million XP because look how much XP it needs to evolve. So we'll have to do the level again. But how did you get these battle items? Great question. I was going into Gamma Toto, and when one of his runs was finished, he got zoned in. Zoned in means that if you put him into any map, there'll be a guaranteed chance that you'll get all those items. like Mount Parabola, for example, you would easily get Uber Cat's Eyes. Each time zoned in comes, you can only do it 3 times. No more than that. Let's use a speed up actually, to speed up the process. Damn, the Bun Buns actually came early, but they will also be there with Kurosawa. Damn, now we have to fight 2 types of stuff. Many of them. Oh, I love this music. It's so nice. That's our last amount of XP. Please let me watch an ad. Yes! Let's do it just for fun, because, you know, I want to increase my user rank. Yeah. But seriously, rank 7,777 was the best so far. Literally got Warlock and Pierre. And then someone commented, do you have Papa Luga? And I said yes. Hey, let me skip the freaking... Oh, never mind. Dun dun dun. Now we got the XP, so now let's do Glowing Purple. Violet Flash Insane. Let's use a Treasure Reader. And let's use this one up. Okay. Living in harmony. Oh. Get out of there. Second time I do this, I'm using a speed up. We didn't even need to kill the bun bun. What's the stupid normal stage? 35 minutes? 3 hours. Okay, that's nice. Speed up. Speed up. Ouch. Ouch. Living in harmony. Down. Whoa, chill down, dude. Chill. You need to chill. Once again, we did it. Nice, dude. Nice, we got another cat fruit. Actually, I want to do something else. I'm gonna let Bullet Train attack the base. Because if Bullet Train attacks the base, then the blacks will come and we'll get money easier. But it might not work. As fast as a greyhound. Surprised I only have one meat shield this time. One meat shield. You know how crazy what one meat shield can do? This is so hard. I mean easy. Don't you dare slice my Muhammad into parts. Come on, what am I gonna get? What am I? Only one more time. One more time. But we have to do this before my energy runs out. But if there's a zombie outbreak going on and I beat it, I'm gonna get a third. I'm gonna have enough cat food to get energy. Bro, Assassin Bear Cat is so slow. Has a slow attack frequency. Unlike Assassin Bear, which is like maybe 0. Maybe half a second. Nah, it's probably a quarter second or a third of a second. I don't know. This is so fun. Almost there. This is our last purple cat fruit we need. Let's go! Now we need red. Let's do red. Passion's insane. I don't want to use this stupid loadout. Let's bring your brother back in. Let's use stuff like... Oh yeah, we have career and can and throw and more. You know what? Let's keep dark laser actually. Who should I replace? Oh yeah, you. Let's use Cutter Cat instead. Because, you know, we want to have 2 engines. Bullet Train's an engine and Power Cutter's an engine. Okay. Yeah, high in the sky. That's nice. Real nice. Can I hear my sound? Oh no, I lost my sound. Oh my god, the sound's back on. Now I can hear the sound. Not only the music, but also the sound. It's sad that I couldn't hear the sound though. Wait, if there was no sound but only music for the whole clip, it would sound like a music video while I'm talking. I also have other eggs I evolved. I have Connie Cat. I have the egg that did it. I don't know what it's called, but I'm gonna show you. But let's see what we get first. Fruit. Let's be a fruit. No. This game is trolling. Sure is. Let's try again. Alright. No. What the hell is going on? I only have 2 more tries until I lose energy. And if I lose energy, no more grinding. And no more grinding means no immortal yukimura. We'll have to do something about it. Destroy the base. Yes! And here's the part you've all been waiting for. Here it goes. Ooh, that's nice. What? I thought this wasn't a talent. At least that was soon to lose.